How to import multiple videos at once in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import multiple videos at once into CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, start by going to import section in CapCut, and if you are in another section, you won't see the import option. So here make sure that you are in the right place, and once you are in this section, simply click on import button, and if you haven't added any clips yet, this button will appear larger. Otherwise, it will be smaller button in the corner. Now your file explorer will open, and from here simply locate the videos that you want to import. You can click and drag on to highlight them all, or you can hold Ctrl and click each one individually. So here I'm gonna simply select 4 clips and open it, and CapCut will now upload these files into the media library. And once imported, they usually be automatically selected, but if not, you can just click and drag to highlight them again, and once you're done with that, simply drag and drop the selected clips into your timeline, and they will appear in the same order shown in the media list. And that's it. That's how you can quickly import multiple videos into CapCut and get right into editing. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.